Hi, my name is Daniel Salée. I'm a professor of political science at Concordia University, and I've been at Concordia since 1985. Until recently, I was the principal of the School of Community and Public Affairs at Concordia. As a professor of political science, I'm interested mainly in issues related to public policies in the Canadian and Quebec context, and I've been focusing in my own research in the past few years on issues related to Aboriginal people, to immigration, to multiculturalism, citizenship, and I've also looked at identity politics and the national question in Canada and in Quebec. The class that I'm offering, SCPA 201, the Introduction to Public Policy and Public Interest, is really about policy more generally. What we're trying to do in this class is to understand the background of the policy decisions that we as citizens have to live with. We're trying to understand where these decisions come from, when they are made, and why they are made the way they are made, in a sense. And so it's a fairly broad course in a way. It's pitched at the introductory level. And essentially what I'm trying to do in this course is to give you a sense of the general background, the general context of the policies that affect us and the way the policies are made. Why should you take this course? Some people would wonder, but I think it's a good question. I think you should take this course because as a concerned citizen, it's always important to know what we are dealing with in our social and political environment. Too many people do not know enough about how they can influence the policy process. Very often we think we're at the mercy of governments, but if we understand where certain policies come from, if we understand why certain decisions are made in the way they are, we can respond more easily. We can respond more efficiently as citizens. And we can, if need be, protest, we can resist, and we can even change the context. We can even change the fate of the policies and the decisions that affect us. And I think that's why it's important to know about policy making in Canada. And I think this is how I think it will help you. What kind of useful things will you learn in this course? Well, I hope there will be many. But certainly you will learn about the decision-making process, the policy-making process as well, how a policy is formulated, where it comes from, the social demand, the ideas that inform a policy, and how it is eventually developed, how it is led, and how it goes through government, and how we as citizens can have an impact on those policies. I think it's a useful thing to know because we are, as citizens, called upon to act constantly. We vote, we pay taxes, and it's important to know exactly how we can have an impact on our governments. And I think this course, I hope, will bring you this kind of useful information. I hope you choose to take this course. I hope that you find the experience a pleasant one. Thank you.